Hi, Dave Armstrong from DA Gas Heating and Plumbing. Today I'm doing a tool talk review for expert trades, and today I'm reviewing the Monument Omat. So the Omat is a heat resistant mat or heat mat, which is approximately 6-7 inches by 6-7 inches square with an O in the middle, or a hole. It's a 15mm hole, and it's got a little flap on the mat, so when you go around the pipe, which I'll show you in a minute, and fold it over, you've got that bit of flap there to cover, so there's no bare joint there, so your heat's not going to go straight through it. So I'll quickly show you. I've got a joint ready to solder up. It's on a tiled wall, so not really the best example. I mean, ideally it would have been a paper, wallpaper, or a painted wall would be the best way to show you, but I'll give you what I've got. So bear with me, I'll just turn the camera around. So I'm just going to solder up this elbow in the corner with the Monument Omat. So the hole goes over. That's the flat bit that I was talking about. Just sits over. I presume I've actually got it the wrong way around. Let's try it that way around. There we go. I think that's better. There we go. So you can see how tight that hole is around a 15mm pipe. To give it a good seal, I'll just solder that up so you can see. Just hope my soldering's alright, no pressure now, eh? There you go, I'm seeing pretty much pointing that directly at the wall. And there you have it, the Monument Omat. Time will tell how long it lasts. It's a bit burnt already. That's because the apprentice was absolutely blasting it the other day. But I've had Monument mats before in the past and they've lasted well. So there you go, Monument Omat. Thank you very much.